Hi, ako po si Joam Santiago, 35 years old. Currently, ang mga projects ko are Valiente, a TV5 soap opera that we're dubbing into English for international release. And also, I'm involved in Be Careful with My Heart. It's another telenovela, a local telenovela that we're also dubbing into English under ABS-CBN.
Si Joam Santiago po ito bilang Orochimaru. Humanda ka, Uchiha Sasuke. Humanda ka, Uzumaki Naruto. Uubusin ko kayo! La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's World! Kumusta mga bata? Ito si Joam Santiago bilang Elmo!
The question you gotta ask yourself is, do you feel lucky? Punk, ito po si Joam Santiago bilang The Dark Knight, Batman.
Myla, that's enough. I don't want you coming near my sister anymore. Get in the car. I brought your car. Move it. Hurry up!